So we received yet another great question. Hey Michael, what is a chargeback? So a chargeback is the process that allows a cardholder to dispute a transaction and request a refund from the card issuer. There can be various reasons why a cardholder initiates these transactions. It could be an unauthorized transaction. It could be a billing error. It could be a failure from the merchant side to deliver the goods or service as promised. But if we take a look at the basic process of a chargeback. So the cardholder will initiate the chargeback by reaching out to the issuing bank and tell the bank or issuer that there are incorrect or unauthorized transactions on the bank statement. So dependent on what the cardholder says as a reason, the bank might block the card, but they will certainly initiate the dispute. This is done electronically. So once the issuer initiates the dispute, the cardholder will of course explain, I did not participate nor authorize this transaction, or they will tell the card issuer, I've tried to talk to the merchant about the service not being rendered. I've written the merchant to cancel my subscription or whatever. And all of these reasons are put into the system. Then the information is sent to the acquiring bank. So they will reach out then to the merchant. The merchant will have a couple of days to investigate the dispute, and they would also be able to present the acquirer with documentation that proves the cardholder wrong. The cardholder is, for most countries, instantly refunded once they do the chargeback. This means that the acquirer will also take the amount away from the merchant. Most acquirers also have a chargeback fee that the merchant will pay for the chargeback. It's really important to remember that the chargeback and the chargeback system was intended to protect the consumer from fraudulent transactions and unfair business practices. It's important that the merchant disputes the chargeback if they don't think the claims are valid. But remember, it's the protection of the consumer, and it will be a loss for most merchants when it comes to chargebacks.